Methi in a salad? Sounds strange, right? Not anymore. Let me show you a healthy, light and tasty salad using just methi and a few other ingredients. Let's start. First off, wash a handful of methi in warm water and a pinch of salt. Keep it aside for 10 minutes so that the bitterness of the methi won't affect the taste. Till the methi takes a salt water bath, let's roast around 100 grams of walnuts till golden and crunchy. We'll put the walnuts aside to cool. Cut 2 spring onions and don't forget to cut the stem nice and small. Bunch up a few methi stems and leaves and chop. Mix the methi leaves along with the spring onions. Give it a mix. Toss in that fruity zing with 2 peeled fresh pomegranates by tossing them straight into the bowl and give it a mix. Sprinkle some salt and some black pepper powder as per taste. A glamorous drizzle of 3 tablespoons of honey. Lastly, squeeze a whole lime into the salad and mix the salad well. Sprinkle the roasted walnuts as a final touch to this and it's ready to serve. A light dinner replacement and your evergreen fitness partner is ready to be relished. Eat well, live well and stay blessed.